Meaning of Doona.
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 Doona. Doona is a brand of bedding products, particularly known for its innovative and popular 2-in-1 product that combines a duvet cover and a fitted sheet into a single unit. The Doona product line also includes other bedding items such as pillowcases, bed sheets, and blankets. Doona's unique design provides convenience and comfort for those looking to simplify their bedding routine, making it a popular choice for busy individuals and families. Overall, Doona is a leading brand in the bedding industry, offering quality products that aim to improve the sleeping experience.